Happy day, students. Welcome to San Academy Pallikarnai, class 10 mathematics. So, good day, students. Already we have learned about the trigonometric ratios and values. Previous part 3, we have learned about the trigonometric values. Based on the trigonometric values, we are going to do this exercise 8.2. Okay, this is also two mark question. It's very important question. So first we see the question number. So you know that let me recall the table. Sine 0. Can anyone say the sine 0? Yes, 0. Sine 30, 1 by 2. Sine 60, root 3 by 2. Sine 45, 1 by root 2. Sine 90 is 1. Okay, it's easy to remember. 0, 1 by 2, 1 by root 2, root 3 by 2, 1. You should repeat daily, then it will be easy for you. Now let me see the question number 1. Evaluate the following sin 60. Just you are going to apply the values of that sin 60, sin 30, cos and all. Then you have to do the simplification. Then it is easy. Okay, let's see the first one. Sin 60 cos 30 and sin 30 cos 60 cos 60. So what is the sin 60? Root 3 by 2. Cos 30 root 3 by 2. I told remember sin 60 value will be equal to cos 30. Cos 60 value will be equal to sin 30. So root 3 by 2 root 3 by 2 then 1 by 2 1 by 2. 1 by 2 1 by 2 is 1 by 4 and the same way root 3 3 by 4. 3 by 4 plus 1 by 4 is nothing but 1. Okay, same thing here tan square 45. You should remember tan square. First you should do the tan 45 then square of that number. Tan 45 is 1 then 1 square is 1. Then multiply 2 into 1 2. The same way root 3 by 2 whole square means 3 by 4 and the root 3 by 4 means 3 by 4 plus 3 by 4 minus 3 by 4 will get cancelled. Then 2 is the answer. Then third question is you should be little simplification, it will be difficult here. So applying is very easy. Apply the value 1 by root 2 cos 45 and the same way secant 30 is 2 by root 3 and plus 2. Take the LCM of 2 by 3 plus 2. Then what is LCM? Root 3. Root 3 means 2 plus 2 root 3. Cross multiply, put cross multiply. Then here put cross multiply. Then if we do the cross multiply 2 plus 2 root 3 by root 3. Then root 3 by 2. This will become reciprocal. Root 3 by root 2 2 plus root 2. Then multiply 2 root 2 2 root 6. Then take the conjugate of that means rationalizing. What is a 2 root 2 2 root 6 rationalizing? So same way 2 root 6 minus 2 root 6. Then if you take this one 4 into 6, 4 6 are 24 and 2 into 4 means 8. 24 minus 8 is 16. Then you do here common is the 2. Then 2 root 3 root 6 minus root 2. And then 2 table 16 will get cancelled 8. And root 3 multiply 3 6 are 18. 3 2s are 6. Then root 18 minus root 6. What is the simplest form of root 18? Through root 2. You will get this answer. Now same way fourth one also. Apply the values and simplify. You will get 3 by 2 minus 2 by root 3. The simplify 3 1 by 2 plus 1 is 3 by 2. And then apply the value of cosecant 60 and cot 45 and cos 60 secant 30. If you apply all the values, you will get at the same thing. Take conjugate. 3 root 3 plus 4 is a conjugate you can take, minus 4 you can take. Then 3 root 3 means a minus b whole square formula you can apply. A square plus b square minus 2ab divided by 2 root 3, 3 root 3 is 9 into 3 27, 4 is 16, 27 minus 16 is 11. Now fifth one is if you see that one cos square 60 secant square 30 and then tan square 45. If you apply these values cos square 60 is 1 by 2, secant 30 is 1 2 by root 3 and tan 45 is 1 and 1 by 2 to root 3 by 2. Apply the values of the each and every and just simplify. Simplification you should do very careful. Here 5 by 4 and here 16 by 3 minus 1. Take LCM is 12. Then 5 3s are 15. 16 4s are 64 and 12. Then minus 12. Then you will get the 64 plus 15 is 79 minus 12 67 by 12 is the answer for fifth sum. If you go to question number 2, there is given as a MCQs. So choose the correct answers. It's very important like these questions for MCQs. 2 tan 30. What is the tan 30? Is 1 by root 3. And 1 plus tan square 30 means 1 by root 3 whole square means 1 by 3. If we do the 1 by 2 by root 3, 1 plus 3. Then 2 by root 3, 2 ones are 2 twos are. Then what will happen here for you? Says 3 by 2. 3 by 2 means root 3, take LCM. So root 3, root 3 by 3, then 3 2s are again 3 cancel. Simplest form you do, you'll get the answer. Okay, understood? If you want, I'll explain. 6 by 4 root 3. Then take rationalizing factor root 3 by root 3. Then what happened? 6 root 3 by 4 root 3. 4 root 3 into root 3 is 3. Then 3 ones are 3 twos are 2 ones are 2 twos are. Then root 3 by 2 is the answer. Okay. So same way here also tan square is 1. 1 minus 1 is 0. 1 plus 1 is 2. 0 by 2 is 0. So here this exercise is very easy. Just applying the values. You should know the very well the values of the sign. And now this question is same question. Sine 2 tan 30. Apply the value of the 0. A is 0 given. Then sine 0 is 0. And then RHS also 2 sine A. Sine 0 is 0. Then LHS will be equal to RHS. The option is A is the correct. The 2 tan 30. 1 minus tan square theta. Same apply. 2 by root 3, take conjugate. If you take the conjugate, then 3 by 2, then 2 cancel, then what will happen? 3 by root 3, then 3 we can write as a root 3 into root 3, then 1 root 3 cancel, then root 3. Which degree will be satisfied? Root 3, tan 60. Then tan 60 is the root 3 value. Now question number 3 is very important question. Every year they used to ask for 2 mark or 3 marks question. So it is very important question for you. This one. Tan A plus B equal to root 3 and tan A minus B equal to 1 by root 3. Is the A plus B is lies between 0 and 90. Find A and B. We have to find out the A and B. So what is the tan A plus B root 3? What is the value will be tan in satisfied? Tan 60. Then tan 10 will get cancelled. A plus B equal to 60. Same way 1 by root 3 is tan 30. Tan 10 will get cancelled. Here use the elimination method for 2 equations are there. So A plus B is equal to what is that? 60. And then A minus B is equal to 60. Then 30. Then TBB cancel. Then 2A equal to 90. Then A equal to 45. Then A value substitute. 460 minus 45, 15. Then angle A equal to 45 and angle B equal to 15. Okay. Then this is the angle. Now next question is sine 4. Question number 4. State whether the following are true or false. Same like exercise 8.1. Sine A plus B equal to sine A plus sine B. Just apply the value of A and B 30 and you can take 0 and 90 also. You can take 30 and 60 also. 45 also. Anything you can take. Both also same you can take. For our, because we have to prove LHS should be equal to RHS. Then it will be satisfied. Let me check. Sine A equal to 30, B equal to 60. Then sine 30 plus 60 is 90. What is the sine 91? Substitute the same thing in the RHS. Sine 30 value is 1 by 2. Sine 60 value is root 3 by 2. Then 1 plus root 3 by 2. Then it is not, 1 is not equal to 1 plus root 3 by 2. Then first one is wrong. You should justify means you should give some example. The value of sine B increases as theta increases. Did you observe the table? 1 by 2, root 3 by 2, 1 by root 3 by 2, 1 by 2, 1 by root 2, root 3 by 2, 1. 0 to 1. Yes, it is increasing slowly. 0, half, 1 by root 2, root 3 by 2 and 1. So it increases. Yes, it is true. Okay, first one is false. And second, the value of the cos theta increases as theta increases. No. If you see in the cos, 1 and then it is what happening? Decreasing. 0. Angle is increases but value is decreasing. So the answer is wrong for third one. Sin theta equal cos theta for all values of theta. No. For all values of theta is sin 30 is equal to cos 30. No. Sin 45 is equal to cos 45. Only for one value only it is satisfied, not for all the values of theta. Cot A is not defined for A equal to 0. Cot 0. What is a cot 0? Cot 0. Tan 0. What is a tan 0? Tan 0 is 0. Then cot 0 is 1 by 0. Yeah, it's not defined. It's true. Okay. You should justify because 1 by division tan 1 by tan 0 is 0. 1 by 0 is not defined. Okay. You can give some examples and you can able to prove that. I hope you all understood exercise 8.2. You can able to complete the classwork exercise 8.2. It is very easy to substitute the values of that one. Don't forget to daily read the table. Thank you students. Thank you.